Understanding the phrase, stay hydrated. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and important phrase in English, stay hydrated. This phrase is not only useful in daily conversations but also crucial for your health and well-being. So, let's dive into what it means and why it's so important. Stay hydrated simply means to keep your body supplied with enough water. Hydration refers to the process of absorbing water. Since our bodies are largely made up of water, it's vital to maintain the right balance of water for our health. This phrase is often used in contexts related to health, fitness, hot weather, or when someone is sick. Hydration is crucial for several reasons. 1. Body function. Water is essential for various bodily functions like digestion, regulating body temperature, and joint lubrication. 2. Health benefits. Staying hydrated helps improve mood, brain function, and energy levels. 3. Prevention of dehydration. Lack of water can lead to dehydration, which causes symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and tiredness. Here are some tips on how to stay hydrated. Drink water regularly. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. More if you're active or in hot climates. Eat hydrating foods. Fruits and vegetables like cucumbers and watermelons contain high amounts of water. Monitor your body. Pay attention to signs of dehydration like dry mouth, thirst, and dark urine. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios, such as advice: it's going to be hot today. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Concern: you've been working out for a while now, make sure you stay hydrated. General reminder: with the flu going around, staying hydrated is more important than ever. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of the phrase, stay hydrated. Remember, drinking enough water is a simple yet effective way to keep your body functioning properly and maintain your health. Stay hydrated and stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.